Good morning from Fort Cochin. Now, this area, Fort Cochin, is more on the east side, and we are visiting the Dutch Palace, which I believe was originally built by the Portuguese.
Yeah, like in the 1500s or something.
Right.
Like a long time ago.
And then it went to the Dutch, and then during Indian independence, it's now maintained by like the Kerala tourism and so on. So it's just actually right across the street here.
Daddy!
Yeah, bud.
What that card cover when I will use.
Yeah, okay. So I just gotta, oh, that's actually not too bad. All right, so the old palace is here. Now, this area is called Jew Street, and some of the original Jewish settlers are still here. So you've got the palace, you've got Jew Street, you've got a Jewish synagogue, all right in this one little area. And boy, they definitely have it like decorated, huh? Lots of sparkles.
Oh, I love it. Yeah, it's super festive.
Yeah, really festive. Wow. Okay, so carrying the boy. How you doing, Forrest?
Good.
Good. All right. So this area, it doesn't look so busy right now, but there's definitely a lot of cars up here, so it might be. We'll see how busy it is, but a very pretty area anyway. Just up ahead is the palace. Again, wow. Nice building. Got some water buffalo right here.
Hey, that's good.
They seem pretty docile, but I don't know. Hi, buddy. We're just walking past.
Daddy!
Okay. Pretty docile.
They don't scare me like the moms, like the monkeys.
Oh, yeah. No, those guys are chill.
I waved at him and he went like this.
Gave you a little wink and a nod.
See? You guys you bonded.
What do you guys think of Fort Cochin so far?
Daddy!
It's really good. Yeah,
It's a nice place.
Dada!
Yeah, I see lots of artsy things happening when we were driving through the streets, like painting on walls and just like
Yeah, it's a hustle and a bustle. I mean, it's a touristy type place.
lots of vendors today.
I see a bunch of pictures of soccer players from the World Cup.
Yeah, a lot of World Cup. Yeah, they have these like kind of bigger than life posters of all the players, the key players.
Yeah, those are cool. All those posters.
So I'm not really sure. Way to museum is up the stairs. But let's go straight for, oh, way to museum. Okay. Okay, well, I guess should we just start at the museum?
Sure.
All right. Well, all right. We'll head up and see kind of if there's an entrance fee or what it's all about.
Okay.
Cool. We'll head upstairs. All right, so the museum, what'd you think?
That was cool.
That was cool.
My favorite, I like the painted walls.
Yeah,
so
the murals were awesome.
instead of wallpaper, there's mural the walls, and it's really cool.
I like the coins, the weaponry.
The weapon.
The weapons. What about you, Cedar?
The spears.
The paintings or?
Kind of all of it.
All of it? Yeah, it was cool. So they had sort of like a no filming policy on some of the rooms. So I just sort of got a little B-roll there. But so it was only 5 rupees for the 2 adults. Kids under 15 are free. So very inexpensive. We spent about 25 minutes in there walking around. You certainly could probably stay if you were really into the history.
And reading all the panels.
Yeah, you could easily spend a couple hours. Yep. We just sort of did the skim through and stopped at the things that were interesting. But wow, that was cool.
Yeah.
The history.
History, it's so old.
And the way they traced it all back for hundreds of years was cool. All the paintings were really nice. Okay, so that, yeah, it's a look at the museum. Yeah. Very beautiful. And now we're gonna head out, and I believe this is now we're entering into the Jew Street area. Again, I don't know what the full history is in terms of like the Jewish population here in Kochi, but apparently they're here, and we'll kind of see what it's all about. All right, so as soon as you step off the back end of the palace, you come across this whole market district. All types of vendors. Hello, sir. Fans. Yeah, very tempting. But really, the reason we came this way is because we want to see the water. It's right here on the ocean. I mean, a lot of cool shops if you're into that kind of thing. Just because we're traveling, we just don't have a lot of space for, tourist trinkets, that kind of stuff. But the water up here looks really pretty. All right. So here we are. Look, Forrest, see the water? Woo. It's pretty, isn't it?
This is so cool.
All these pigeons are eating rice. Cool places to hang out and see the waterway. There's a huge port in this area.
Boats.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're huge ships.
Yeah, cruise liners, just
Military,
huge boats. Yeah, it's a big area.
Fun trips, little day tours.
Hey, all right, see there, we're fishing.
Whoa, we should get to the pigeon.
Just down from the waterway is this little teeny playground. I don't see anyone out here, so I assume it's open. I mean, the gate's open, but you can see got some slides, got some murals on the wall. There's some of the World Cup teams right there.
Oh, yeah.
Forrest, you want to go down the slide?
No.
No? Okay. Do you want to ride the merry-go-round?
No.
Oh, well, all right, this might just be a short stay then. You know, maybe it's seen better days. You gonna jump on? All right, here we go. Yeah, we're gonna let that one be. How about the slide? All right, so there you go for the slide.
Hopefully I don't die.
I don't think you will. It looks pretty stable.
It looks pretty fast though. Get your feet
Yeah.
ready.
Satu, dua, tiga. Woo. There she goes. All right, here comes the big brother. Forrest, you want to go down the slide?
No.
No, all right.
We'll
As long as Granny doesn't get hurt, then we'll do it.
Is that blood?
Nope, not blood. It's just dried spillage.
It goes right down, Granny.
Whoosh. All right, well, there you go. I mean, there's benches. It must not be maintained very well. There's a lot of like growth, but all right, it is here for the kids. Good times.
You going again, girl?
Yeah.
Now we're officially entering Jewtown. So Jewtown, again, the history of the Jewish people in Kerala, it must be fascinating. But there is a actually Jewish synagogue here that might be worth seeing. But it's again a kind of a lined street. Some of the businesses aren't open yet, and it might be because it's 10:30 in the morning, so maybe they're more of an evening places. But again, it looks great. Nice shops, boutique-y type of stuff. And oh, is that a cafe? Might be worth getting a coffee. Kelly, you want a coffee?
Yeah.
Iced Americanos?
Yeah.
All right, let's see if they can do some iced coffees here in this little cafe. Hello, how are you?
Hi.
Iced Americanos?
Yeah.
Okay, two iced Americanos, please.
So, takeaway or
Takeaway. Takeaway's better.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you around. There's some Jesus stuff. Oh, the goat. Oh my goodness, there's an elephant.
Yeah.
Here's some stuff.
There's art.
Yep, some art,
Paintings.
little goats, musical stuff. Yeah, it's really cool.
And there's a bunch of maps.
Yeah, there's so many masks. See, look. This whole room is filled with masks. Yeah, it's really cool. Whoa, there's more stuff over here.
Yeah. So cool.
Yeah, this is amazing. There's so many stuff here. I think this is like a little water fountain kind of. It does look like a water fountain. Yeah,
What do you think, Sarah?
it's really cool.
Man, so many masks and faces and all types of stuff. Okay, well, yeah, this is definitely a great cafe, at least for the visual viewpoint. I'm sure the Americanos are really good as well. All right, so that was the classic art cafe, 2 iced Americanos. Now, the one thing I forgot to consider was the ice situation. Seems like in a cafe like that, the ice would be okay, wouldn't you say?
I hope so.
Well, we'll find out in about 72 hours.
Yeah.
The Americano tastes
In
good
a restaurant, you're safe.
Yeah.
Pretty safe.
Versus the street ice. So now we're gonna head to the synagogue, the Jewish synagogue.
Okay.
And where it is from here, I'm not sure. I think it's just down the streets. The streets are just adorable. It's is it hard to believe that this is actually India? To me, this could be like exactly what I was thinking, like some kind of European village or something. I mean, the way that the streets are all curvy like that, the architecture alone. Hello, sir. Yeah, with the architecture, it definitely doesn't look like you're in India right now. It could be Portugal, as Kelly said, or just some kind of European village. Yeah, very cool. Hello. All right, so just at the end of the street, we've come right up to the Jewish synagogue. Boy, built in 1568. Oldest in the Commonwealth countries. I imagine so. All right, so it's actually an active synagogue. I mean, there are service hours. Wow. Saturday holiday. Well, yeah, fascinating. Oh, today, yeah, it's calling today a holiday. So it is closed. Darn, that's too bad. It would have been great to see the inside of it. But either way, just to come here and kind of catch it from the outside. Oh, holiday, Cal.
Holiday?
Yeah. That's okay. All right, well, a trip to Jewtown and the palace wouldn't be complete without a ice cream stop. Hello. So I guess you have chocolate and you have mango. 2 chocolates. Nice.
Thank you. Yes, perfect. And how much?
50 rupees.
Yeah.
Okay, well, awesome.
This is what you guys wanted, right? Delicious? Yeah, hits the spot. It's pretty hot out today, right?
Yeah, so, really a trip down to this area. It's busy. There's lots of people, lots of cool things to see. Unfortunately, synagogue was closed for our day here, but if you can make it, I think it'd be worth going through. It'd be cool.
Yeah, definitely. It's a fun place to be.
On the way in and out of Kochi, there's really one stop that you have to do, and that is the banana chip factories.
Yes, absolutely.
These line the road both in and out, but they're really cool because you can walk up, you can see the guys making banana chips.
Would be really cool.
And you can sample.
Yeah.
That's the best part.
There's chips everywhere here.
Cool. All right, Forrest, let's look around.
Yeah, let's look around.
All right, can I sample one of the spicy ones? All right, so these are the spicy. Very spicy. Chili. Okay, I can handle that one. This one? Chili flavor. Also pretty good.
Yeah, I think I like the spicy one.
Spicy ones are great. Tomato. Much more mild.
The seasoning.
What are these? What's this made from?
Made from flour.
Oh, flour. Okay.
Flour and dry fruits.
Okay, wow. It's really thick looking.
Yes, just taste some.
Forrest, you want to try a jelly?
No, I'm tired.
Do you want to try a jelly?
No.
So this is called halwa.
Halwa. Halwa.
Halwa.
We've had something similar
Yeah.
when we were in Delhi. That's good.
Yeah, that's good flavor.
Reminds me of like a fig. It looks like they're going to start making chips.
Yeah,
Another
that's
batch.
gonna be fun. Like you
So,
just emptied it.
yeah, that's going to be cool.
Yeah.
We spent 250 rupees for those 2 bags.
Okay.
Tomato, garlic, cheese.
Yes.
That's a
garlic
good
cheese.
combo.
Yeah.
On banana chips, heavenly.
Yep. Then there's lots of flavors. We just picked 2 so we don't eat too many.
Yeah. You can certainly spend a lot of time here.
Yeah, the black pepper one's really good. I like those as well.
Okay, well, we'll see if we can catch a little action of the guy frying the chips. The whole process. Banana into the shredder. Wow. So cool. I wonder how many he could do, like, say, in a minute, but that's just shredding the bananas right into the fryer. You like that, Cal?
Yeah,
That's so cool.
that looks really cool.
So they're fresh, if you will.
Yeah. And then just cut some right up there and then fry them
Shreds into the oil.
down there. And then I wonder if they just mix them with a lot of
Yeah, with the seasonings.
Yeah.
Well, just a little quick peek into the banana chip making. These are certainly worth stopping at.
Yeah, it's really
Especially if
cool.
you want a couple of snacks, because they'll feed you all day.
Yeah, you
As long as you buy something.
can sample something. Look at it, it's really going now.
Yeah, yeah.